Hi guys, and welcome back to Cryptochesterg. I'm here today to give you a demo and a brief explanation about this exchange that I've just partnered up with, and that is BingX. We're going to be starting off with BingX coming through on the home screen and going through a few of those things, and then we're going to be basically going through all of the key unique points about this exchange as to why I'm going to be using them from here on out, right? So I'm going to be starting off with the homepage here, and you can see just from who they're sponsored by Chelsea, and also they have got partners with some UFC fighters as well as BingX ambassadors. One thing that I've noticed straight off the bat with this exchange that I'm quite drawn to, and we will be going into all the bonuses and all that juicy stuff afterwards, which you will get specifically for this video. But one thing that I am very excited to be exploring as well is the fact that you can actually you can trade commodities, forex, and stocks on this exchange as well. So a lot of crypto exchanges, they kind of like limit themselves, and they kind of you can only trade a certain amount of things on those exchanges, whereas this exchange actually, it lists new tokens every single day. You can trade forex, stocks, and commodities. And that's not the only thing, right guys? That's not the only thing, because one thing else that they've done, they've got themselves on TradingView as well. This is, you can basically connect your BingX account to TradingView and then trade directly off TradingView multiple different assets. So it's a really good connection that they have formed here in terms of ease of trading multiple assets, multiple markets, and yeah, very good things. That's the first thing I wanted to cover there with BingX. Really good stuff. And then just moving on to P2P, because I saw quite a few people in the community. Shout out to the CC Gang Telegram community. If you want to join that, you're more than welcome. Link is in the description. But I saw quite a few people in the community talking about P2P trading, and they didn't kind of understand what it was, right? So I'm just going to run through a little bit of a brief here as to what P2P trading is and how you can be using it here on Bing. So essentially, some people struggle to not buy crypto, because it's very easy to buy crypto on exchanges these days. You put in your card number and you can buy it. But one of the biggest things that a lot of exchanges don't do is essentially withdrawing back to your debit card or your credit card, etc., or just a centralized bank, right? So one thing that you can be doing here is P2P. I use P2P quite a lot here, and you can see basically what you do. You just sell your USDT to any bank pretty much, and it connects you with a trader. Okay, it connects you with a trader, and they give you a set exchange rate. So I'm going to be doing this. I'm not doing this right now, but don't want to bore you guys, but I'm going to be just giving you an example of doing it to the pound. If you did want to do it to the dollar, you can do that as well, as far as I'm aware. Yeah, as far as I'm aware, you can do it to the dollar as well. Yeah, definitely something to be looking out for there. If you are looking for a way to actually withdraw your crypto, you can do that with Bing. Really great service that they offer. And they do pretty much cover all the major banks here. They've got Revolut there as well. I know that's very common on Wise, and pretty much all bank transfers as well, guys. So if you are looking for a P2P service, this is perfect. And they do have some reviews there as well. So how many trades the trader has done, how reliable they are, and what services they actually offer there. So yeah, if you are looking for that, Bing is the place to be going for that. And if you did want to sign up, guys, the link is in the description for that. Moving on to another thing that I love with with this exchange is the fact that, yes, they're listing new coins pretty much every single day here. So you can have like a favorites list of coins that you like, and then you can basically go to your new listings, and this is new listings that they're going to be listing through the on that day. And you can see here we've got live in 3 hours, live in 1 day and 3 hours, live in 1 day and 2.5 hours. So this is basically, we know sometimes on coin launches you can make a lot of money, right? So this is a really interesting feature that they have on this exchange to basically tell you exactly when they're going to be listing these new coins. Okay, so you can basically capitalize on that if you are going to be using Bing. Okay, and in terms of all the pairs that they offer like just ridiculous amounts of pairs, guys. Like pretty much everything you can think of. You can see there's over 25 pages of just of crypto pairs. So they cover pretty much all of the top cryptocurrencies that you would be looking to trade here. And you can see also it splits them up into categories. So I'm just going to be covering meme for a second. You got Doge, Shib, Pepe, Whiff, Bonk, Floki, Audi, Baby Doge, Boom, and yeah, pretty much loads and loads of other memes there. They even got Brett on there. Crazy stuff. So yeah, basically it just offers all of these categories as well. So if you are looking for new coins, or just to trade certain certain industries. It's like GameFi, for example, how that's going to be taking off in, I mean, it looks pretty rough right now, but how that's going to be taking off in a few months or so with this beautiful bull market that we're in right now. We know GameFi is a little bit lagging right now, so if you are looking for GameFi tokens, it basically lists them all here perfectly ready to invest. So yeah, it's a very, very good system on how they've broken this down. You got Metaverse as well, POW ERC 440, that's the hot one right now, and then Deepin, which is new, right? So yeah, definitely something to be worth checking out from a spot perspective if you are looking to sort of sort your coins out and find them really, really easily. Moving on to copy trading here for Bing, that's another thing that they offer, and they've got a hell of a lot of copy relationships, is what I've seen so far. You guys know that I do copy trading over on Fairdesk at the moment, but I think I'm going to be moving over to Bing very, very shortly because they've got a lot more relationships. They've got I do really actually like their UI, their platform, and just in general, it's really, really clean to trade. And what I have noticed as well, the fees for this exchange is they're cheaper. They are actually cheaper than most exchanges from like a leverage standpoint. So if you're leveraging compared to like Binance or Fairdesk, just for example, you're looking at, I don't know, a large amount of fees. Like I'll close a trade and I'll be like, oh, cost me like $18 to place that trade, but here it's like it's a couple of bucks. Like you can see the difference there. That's one thing I did want to just cover very quickly. But yeah, copy trading in general, guys, they've got a lot more copiers, a lot more volume, and actually a lot more traders. Okay, they've got a lot more traders than a lot of exchanges. You can see there's over 455 pages there of traders, which is absolutely unbelievable. And I will be going to the copy trading leaderboard very, very shortly. And one thing that I would say here, just about copy trading in general here, guys, is they actually they give you like a risk factor on essentially how risky the trader is in terms of his risk. So yeah, how risky the trader is in terms of his risk, and how much you could essentially make through trading with these guys, okay? And there is some big names on here as well. So yeah, definitely something that I wouldn't overlook here. That does make me want to go to the leaderboard here for copy trading, because they give you a pretty good leaderboard, and you can basically copy the people that are performing the best, okay? The people that are performing best on the whole platform. So in 7 days, this guy's done 2,500%, near enough, a risk factor of 4, which is not too bad. You can see it's actually quite low here on the Richter scale, on the risk scale, and you can simply go and copy that guy if you want to. So we know how valuable copy trading is, and for them to have a leaderboard, so you can basically just go pick the top guys. It's basically free money, okay? It's basically free money because you know these guys can trade. You know it is it's a pretty much foolproof system, near enough, right? You can see these guys are making a lot of money there. So yeah, just wanted to cover that as well. The next thing I did want to go into, guys, is a bit of grid trading. They offer grid trading coming through. We know what grid trading is, guys. You're basically not essentially hedging the market, kind of like a market maker, but you can basically set limit orders continuously down the whole chart and basically capitalize on the moves of an asset, right? And they offer this with multiple different assets. And then also, guys, they actually offer you previously used grids that are back tested, okay, which is very, very interesting as well. So they're basically giving you the tools to make the peas, to make the money, okay? So it's a very, very, very bullish sign for them to be doing that as well. So yeah, definitely something that I would not overlook. And for you new guys who are just getting into crypto, one thing that I would say, education is key. You know that. You know I do preach that education is key. It took me probably about 2 years to get completely fluent with technical analysis and become like seriously profitable. So now what I would recommend here, guys, is something that BingX Academy does offer, okay? They offer you basically a full trading, guys, how to set everything up, what you should be doing, a general BingX tutorial on how you can complete everything, and basically get up to standard, right? So the fact that they offer the education is another bullish selling point, I would say, as well, okay? Now, this does bring me on to the offers that I have been presented by Bing to give back to my community, to give you guys a chance to basically earn some free cash and some free bonus vouchers, right? So the first thing I would say, we do have an airdrop coming through. If you guys do want to register with this airdrop link, you can basically enjoy 2,000 of this new coin, which we know is obviously doing, I mean, it did pretty well. Now it's coming down, but it's just about to find a floor, and it's curling over right now, as we did say in the live stream earlier. So yeah, this coin is going to be doing very, very well over the bull market because it's already listed on all of the exchanges, right? So if you did want to go grab a free airdrop on this, guys, you can go do that. Just follow these instructions. You just deposit like $100 or something like that and claim the airdrop. Really, really, really simple stuff. So that's something that I can give back to you guys. And then the next thing is new user limited time event. You can claim up to $6,200 in rewards for the next 12 days or so, okay? And this is very, very simple, guys. You just need to deposit and then trade and hit a certain trade volume, which is, some of these figures, they can be quite scary. You can look at it like, oh my God, $200,000 trade volume? What? It's really easy to hit that. And I'm sure you trading on a day-to-day basis, you're probably already hitting that, right? Because this is leverage trading, okay? So if you're, say, I don't know how degenerate you are, but if you're 100xing your investment, then say like, say $10, for example. If you 100x your investment, that's $1,000, okay? So you've hit $1,000 in trade volume already. So if you're doing $1,000 and you hit 100x trade volume, then it's basically going to be $100,000 in volume, okay? So that's basically 2 trades, $1,000, 100x, and you get a $100 bonus voucher, right? And that's not all that they offer, guys. You can see the more that you are trading, the more volume that you do get. And a lot of people in the community, you're hitting over $1 million in volume a week. You probably don't know it because you can't see the stats, but you are hitting these figures. So these are very, very easy to hit, and you can see how big the bonuses are when you do hit these, okay? So that's definitely something that I would like to give back to you guys from a community standpoint, okay? So yeah, you've got 12 days to go and claim that. Link is in the description for that. And then the next thing, there is another bonus you can get here, is trade to win here. So you're trading, and you have to trade volume again, and you basically get the bonuses, and you work your way up this bonus pack ladder that is going to be valid for another 12 days or so as well, guys. So you can see that we've got 3 current live packages for the community to go and claim if you do want to go sign up to BingX. And remember, guys, it's literally like, I don't know, like $100 deposit and then just some trading volume. It's really, really quite easy to hit these statistics to get simply loads of free money to trade with. And we know how volatile Bitcoin is as well at the moment. So so you can basically put one of these trades on, right? You can put a voucher of $300 onto a trade and use leverage with it, and you can make a lot of money very, very fast, okay? So it's basically a free chance to make decent amount of money, okay? But yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Again, links are in the description if you do want to go claim all these bonuses. But just remember that BingX right now, they're leading the pack, guys. And remember, you can actually connect your BingX account to your trading view, which is a very unique way here of essentially trading. And you can trade directly off the platform, okay? Really, really, really good stuff. And also commodities, Forex, and stocks there, guys. So yeah, really, really good platform. Non-KYC as well, guys. So if you're looking for a non-KYC exchange worldwide, you can use BingX. I would recommend using a VPN for that. And just to reiterate, P2P as well, guys. Again, P2P, you can withdraw directly to your bank. So huge selling points. And that's why I want to show you guys this exchange and give you back a little bit of a bonus if I can, right? But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.